Hi, this is Matt with Hauling Inspections. During the inspection today, when we got ready to walk up on the deck, we noticed it had quite a bit of sag on it. So we stopped real fast and we come underneath the deck to take a good look at stuff. You can see right here that the floor joist is broke. You can actually see, yeah, that's my hand on the other side of the crack, where it goes completely through. We got another floor joist over here that's broken. We had 3 total right here in this section that are broken. Another section of the deck over here, they have covered everything. So we have no way of knowing what is going on there. So remember, a critical part of your deck is always your support. And you need to take special attention to look at these real close. Anytime your deck sags, make real close attention to look at these, see what's going on. For all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis area and the St. Louis Metro East, call Hauling Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day. Thank you.